Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna open up the HDZero goggles. Ugh, that sounds scary. And then we're gonna install a real-time clock battery so we can get a date and time stamp on our DVR. As always, I'm Jeff with Titan FPV. Let's dive in. First order of business, guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Click that notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload content like this and all the rest to the channel. Can't say that I've been looking forward to this moment, that I had to open up the HDZero goggles, but I did want to get that real-time clock, date and time stamp on my DVR. So I picked up one of these laptop BIOS batteries. I'll post the link in the video description from Amazon. I'm going to install that today, and that means we're going to open up the goggles. Jeff from the future, guys, don't make the same mistake that I did and choose a real-time clock battery with reverse polarity. The one I ordered was the one on the left with the positive wire on the right-hand side, and I had to repin it to put the positive cable on the left-hand side. I'll be sure to leave the correct battery in the video description so you don't have to repin yours, but there are multiple batteries that look similar with different prices on Amazon. You want to make sure that your positive wire is on the left. First, I'm going to start off by removing the headband and the module bay. Set those aside. Then we have to detach this faceplate. So Ryan suggested you remove this from the corners. There's a clip here, 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 and I believe there's 3 more on the bottom. We're going to start from this upper left-hand corner and press down, pull away. Well, that's how it started. Let's see how it's going. Oh, our first clip's undone. We're going to hop over to the other side. Push down as well. Okay, got that clip. And then the center clip right here. All right. We're going to do the bottom clips. Looks like we already may have a couple of those done. Should just be able to pop this the rest of the way off. Take your time, guys. It will come off fairly easy. All right, now we need to flip the goggles over. Should probably remove these antennas. All right, now we got a nice starting point to work from. Looks like there are, I believe, 3 screws here on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3 that are holding the assembly together. We're gonna grab a Phillips screwdriver. Hopefully this tiny guy will fit in here. We'll start to remove these Phillips screws. One. We shall see if this craptastic screwdriver from the Happy Model Mobula 6 kit will do the job. And it looks like there is a use. The third and final screw is out. And now we need to gently separate our goggles. There is a ribbon cable holding these micro displays that we do not want to separate these with any amount of force. We can slowly wiggle these out. Oh, perfect. And those are coming out pretty nice there. Okay, we're gonna take our pry tool, use something plastic. We don't want to scuff up our nice, very rare and hard to get HDZero goggles. There's a clip here, here, and here. So we're gonna go along this side here. I believe that's got that one. I think the final clip is here. And it looks like we have separated them successfully. You want to bring this up ever so slowly. All right. We're going to flip these over because you see those two ribbon cables. All right, now let's see if I can get this in focus. The real-time battery clock connector is right there. We're going to secure the battery, place it over here. I think it does come with some 3M double-sided sticky tape, so we should be able to adhere it to the inside of the goggle housing. That connector can only go one way. We may need some tweezers for this. I'll be right back. All right, you can see there's a little pin, or a little tab rather, on one side. So this is gonna go down in here, and then we're gonna mount the battery to this wall over here. All right, looks like that's secure. To reveal the adhesive, perfect. All right, the final step is reassembly, and you want to make sure that you update your firmware. I'll post that up here, the minimum firmware that is required for the real-time clock. You want to align those two tabs there. Make sure we're not pinching any cables. Those look good to go. Slowly come down. Hopefully this is not going to interfere with anything where I have the battery mounted. All right, a satisfying click. It looks like we're back in business. Now I'm just going to plug up a battery to this real quick to make sure everything powers on before I complete the reassembly. All right, let's set the real-time clock. So diving into the menu, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the clock in the menu. Now yours is going to have a message at the bottom that says real-time clock not set, no battery detected, or something of that nature. I've already restarted my goggles, and that's what you'll have to do after you set up the clock. So you're going to go ahead and change the date. It's got it in 24-hour format, and then you can change it from AM to PM or vice versa. You're going to hit set clock, and then you're going to go ahead and power off the goggles and power them back on, and that should save the changes if you set it up correctly. And as you can see, the latest DVR has the correct date and time, so it's working. There you have it, folks. That's how you install the real-time clock battery and set it up for timestamps with the HDZero goggles. Thanks again for tuning in. If you got comments or questions, post those down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one.